Before we get into the hands-on part of the course, let me give you a quick overview of what we'll be covering in each chapter. This will give you a clear idea of how everything connects and what you'll be building. We start with Chapter 1, Kickoff and Modular Thinking. You'll see the difference between long, messy queries and clean modular pipelines. And we'll set up your workspace using GitHub and Dataform from scratch. Chapter 2 is all about building models and workflow mastery. Here, you'll use SQLX to create reusable models, structure logic in a scalable way, and collaborate using version control and shared logic blocks. In Chapter 3, we validate, assert, and deploy. You'll learn to use assertions to catch errors, set up dev and prod environments, and schedule your models for automated execution, just like enterprise teams do. And finally, Chapter 4 covers Power BI and ecosystem integration. We'll connect your models to Power BI for reporting, and you'll learn how to test SQL logic locally in notebooks or VS Code before pushing to production. That's your roadmap. Every chapter builds on the last, and by the end, you'll have a full production-ready pipeline using tools real teams rely on.